today's life context, returning to nature is something many people wish to have. In a wooden space with a Zen style, not extravagant, just simple and elegant. The owner of this apartment likes Japanese architectural style and Zen spirit. Therefore, from the overall architecture to the small details, everything is meticulously cared for, with a delicate combination of wood and white, combined with gray to create a quiet space. Drawing inspiration from the abundant natural beauty that surrounded the residence, the designers embarked on a mission to breathe new life into the space. Their vision? To reimagine the interior with a minimalist approach, one that celebrates the essence of nature while infusing warmth and hospitality into every corner. Through thoughtful curation of materials and meticulous attention to detail, Pin's design studio succeeded in transforming the once lackluster dwelling into a luminous and inviting haven. Far from feeling sterile or impersonal, the revamped home now exudes a sense of tranquility and openness, seamlessly blending contemporary minimalism with the timeless allure of its lush surroundings. The living room is the gathering place of space, designed with simple wooden lines, creating intimacy and warmth. Protective walls made from wood create an open space, allowing natural light to penetrate, creating a comfortable and artistic feeling. The combination of light and shadow, along with traces of time on wood and stone, makes the space more lively and intimate. The stairs are also meticulously cared for with wooden planks, creating a natural highlight in the space that can be modern and free. White is widely used in space design, creating a feeling of peace and elegance, which is airy in today's busy lives. The children's bedroom is created with bright colors, giving a positive and energetic feeling, along with a blackboard that allows children to be creative. While the master bedroom is a peaceful and elegant place, providing a perfect relaxing space where all worries and stress disappear as soon as you enter.